Hello everyone, this is Ayu from Japanese with Ayu. 皆さんこんにちは。Ayu です。今日は Verb の past tense を勉強します。And I have free PDF again. I'm making free PDF for each lessons. So if you are interested, go to the link in the description below. That's totally free. So I really think you should go for it. And you can keep it, you can learn anytime. It's like your new textbook. Today, let's learn how to conjugate to past tense. Past tense affirmative, past tense negative. Okay, it's very easy. Past tense, ました. So you just change it to ました from ます. ました. So 食べる can be 食べました. I ate. 食べました. For negative, ませんでした。So, 食べませんでした。食べませんでした。So, it's also easy because 食べません is negative. You just put でした at the end. So, 食べませんでした。I didn't eat. 食べました。I ate. Easy, right? Now, before we practice, I'll show you how to say these period of time. So when you say 1 o'clock, it's 1時, right? When you say for 1 hour, you put 間 at the end. 1時間. 間. This kanji means during the time, between this time, this period of time. So 1時間 means for 1 hour. For 1.5 hour, 1時間. And then you put 半 at the end. This is very common mistakes that people say 1時半間. But it's actually, you say for 1 hour first and then 半 for 30 minutes comes after. So please don't make this mistake. 1時間半 or 2時間2時間半3時間3時間半 like this. Alright, now days. So you don't say for a day 1日間. We don't say that. It's just 1日. But from 2 days 2日2日間3日間4日間 like this. If you don't remember these numbers, please go back to the number video. This is kind of difficult, but please remember. And okay, so days, now a week. So this is already a word. 1週間. 1週間 means a week. So it's just 1週間. 2週間. 3週間. Okay. A month. Month is 1ヶ月. So if you wanna say for 1 month, 1ヶ月間 or 2ヶ月間 3ヶ月間 like this. And let's move on to the practice. I want you to make a sentence with this period of time and past tense. So let's see this one. Actually, if you have Genki book 3rd edition, the page is 123 and part 6, okay? So the example here is Mary slept for 8 hours. メリーさんは8時間寝ました。8時間寝ました。Okay, so what about number 1? Can you say Mary played tennis for 2 hours? どうぞ。Pause. はい。メリーさんは2時間テニスをしました。2時間テニスをしました。Okay. 2番。はい。I think this is Mary studied for 3 hours. メリーさんは3時間勉強しました。3時間勉強しました。Okay? 3番 Mary listened to music 1.5 hours メリーさんは1時間半音楽を聴きました。1時間半音楽を聴きました。4番 Mary waited for Takeshi for 1 hour メリーさんは1時間たけしさんを待ちました。待つ is the verb you need to remember with the particle. So 待つ is を待つ someone を待つたけしさんを待ちました。Okay? 5番 Mary watched TV 2.5 hours メリーさんはテレビを2時間半見ました。メリーさんはテレビを2時間半見ました。できましたか？いいですね。はい、OK です。はい、じゃあ、I'm gonna ask you some questions. So please answer my questions with the past tense, affirmative or negative.If you did this, you can say しました。If you didn't, ませんでした。Just to complete the sentence, okay? Number 1. 昨日、映画を見ましたか？昨日、映画を見ましたか？ 2 番。週末、何をしましたか？週末、何をしましたか？週末 is a weekend. 週末、何をしましたか？ 3 番、今日、早く起きましたか？今日、早く起きましたか？早く is an adverb early. Did you wake up early today?今日早く起きましたか？今日何を食べましたか？今日何を食べましたか？はい、next one。昨日何時間寝ましたか？昨日何時間寝ましたか？子供の時よく勉強しましたか？子供の時よく勉強しましたか？ I want you to write your answers in the comment section so I can correct your answer if there is any mistakes. And I'm not gonna leave the answer here because it depends. And if you want to practice more, there is a free PDF in the description below.There's more practice and actually there's more additional information and explanation. If you are interested, please go for it. It's totally free. Alright. So, that's all for today. How was it? I hope you enjoyed my video and I hope your study is going really well with this video. Please share this video with whoever's starting learning Japanese. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up.Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope I can see you in my next video or in my lesson. 今日はありがとうございました。また次回お会いしましょう。じゃあねー。バイバーイ。